What's up, guys? What up, DPL fam? I'm Kiesel, and this is Coach Cha. We are your host for today's DA1. And here to my left, we have Prince up against Coach Chico, and yeah, and we have a lot of people here, so let's tune in.
Yep.
So let's go. Tara.
Uy! Heads.
Okay, unang bola kay Coach Chico.
So here we are, guys. Coach Chico with the ball.
Attacking left, hard bump. Okay, he misses.
One stop, guys. It's a rule, one stop.
Good stop by Prince right there, no? Pero grabe, unang possession pa lang. Unang possession pa lang, physical agad. Yan. Oh, what a fake. Okay, wow.
Good move. What a
Grabe
step.
yan. Grabe yung step through na yan. Grabe. Good move by Prince. 1 of 1 agad.
So first possessions of the two, kita na agad natin yung intensity.
Oh. Good step back by Prince. Off.
Good shot. That's a good shot.
It's a good shot though. Good separation, no?
Grabe yung step back.
Okay, nakay Coach Chico yung bola ngayon. Taking the 3. Oh, this is it.
Prince, this Prince now.
Takes the 3.
Ayun yung parang mga...
Medyo maalat pa, no?
Talaga. Parang amuyan talaga.
Oo, parang ano muna eh, no? Kapaan muna
Kapaan
talaga
talaga
eh. Ganun talaga yung one-on-one sa simula eh, no?
Kapaan parang build up lagi ng intensity.
Oo. Pump. Foul. So we're gonna see 2 free throws. 2 ba? Isa lang. Isa lang, no?
Isa lang.
Isa lang pala. Sorry,
If he
sorry.
makes it, possession niya ulit.
Tama.
If makes possession na ni Prince.
Okay, so 1-1.
1-1.
Bola ni Coach Chico ulit.
2-1.
2-1 ba?
2-1.
Sorry.
Oh,
What a move! Okay. Sabi, tough shot yan.
that's a tough shot.
Pero
Tough
kita
shot,
mo yung
pero
yung
grabe.
chain yung chain ng mga galaw, dire-diretso lang.
Tsaka parang in rhythm na.
Oh, in rhythm ano. Step back shot. Oh, good.
That's probably his move, yung step back na yun.
Pero kita ko parang hilig niya talaga yung to the left eh.
Kaya nga eh. Parang tendencies niya na sa attack. Going left, then step back.
Oh!
It's intensity.
Kita mo may trash talk agad, tumingin sa likod. Nilabas pa yung dila!
Wala pa tennis ko.
Nilabas pa yung dila, guys! And 1. Okay, 4-2.
Now let's see.
Let's see if Prince is gonna take, how Prince is gonna take that now. Okay. Takes the 3. Oh. Kapaan pa rin talaga sa 3 points eh, no?
Pa rin.
Kapaan pa rin talaga.
So it's a battle talaga sinong makaka-momentum. So now let's see how Prince responds to that.
Tingnan natin yung gagawin ni Prince. Attacking left again. Good D. Good D.
Good D by Coach Chico. That's a good D.
Pero puro left yung drive ni Prince, ano? Puro left talaga. Hindi ko pa siya nakita pumuntang right. Takes the 3. Kita natin na nag-attempt talaga si coach ng 3 points.
Yeah,
para makuha niya talaga yun.
Nakuha niya talaga yung hidden niya.
Pero alam ko once na may isang pumasok,
Isa pa.
yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Ayan.
first foul. So next non-shooting foul. Free throw na.
Pag isa pa, no?
Yeah, isa pang non-shooting foul.
Step back 3. Prince.
Again, he's going left again.
Wala pa rin nakakashoot ng 3 points, no?
He's trying to attack Coach Chico's left side eh. I mean right side. Kinukuha niya yung weakness ni Coach Chico sa right side.
Oh.
Which is not going. So,
3 ball, ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na.
the score is 7-2 in favor of Coach Chico.
One.
Good ball.
Ay, let go. I think it's a let go lang, you know?
And let go.
Pero feel ko foul yun, pero let go.
Yeah.
Pero yun yung ano natin dito eh, physical. Physical ones talaga.
Physical. It's given na kasi. Physical game.
Good bump. Ayun lang, hindi ko rin convert.
Yun yung mahirap if puro bump yung game.
Oo, parang
Nakakapagod.
Oo.
And if you're not gonna convert, sobrang...
draining. No, nakaka-drain yung ganun.
Yun na sinasabi.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Tuloy-tuloy na talaga. 10-2 in favor
Scores.
of Coach Chico.
10-2. Medyo malayo yung ano.
Oh my God.
Layo.
Ayun, sa heat check.
Heat check yan.
Check yun.
Siyempre, ano ba ang heat check? Bad shot.
Bad shot.
Hindi, pero in rhythm siya.
Yeah,
Na-feel niya yun.
Check up.
Pero kita natin, tinakapa pa rin talaga ni
Yeah.
Prince.
Kinakapahan niya talaga yun. Yun yung mga dente kay Coach Chico, yung mga size up.
Oo. Jumper. Okay.
Now I can see Coach Chico is getting his rhythm talaga ngayon.
Okay, na kay Prince yung bola. Good pick. And one, bro.
Now score is 10-4.
Grabe rin tong katawan ni Prince, no? Tigas eh,
Ang
no?
grabe siya mag-take ng physicality.
Oo, parang kung binangga siya, wala lang din eh, no? Okay, convert niya yung one, so 10-5.
Okay, timeout tayo guys. Kita na agad natin physicality.
Grabe, no?
Men, wala akong masabi, men.
Wala akong masabi.
Bakbakan talaga. Props to, to both individuals.
Mainit. Grabe. Oo, mainit.
Mainit, magaling.
What can you say, bro?
Grabe, intense.
Bro, what can you say, bro?
Grabe.
Grabe.
Ayan, back to the ball game tayo, guys.
Okay guys, back to the ball game. Ball out at Nate Prince.
6-3.
Yun, still off.
Pero alam mo pag hooper ka kahit gano'ng kalapit, basta hand down.
Yeah, basta hand down, open shot yun.
Kaya intense na iti-take niya talaga yun.
Good shot yun eh, good shot.
Oh, good shot yun.
Oh,
Grabe.
one thing that nakikita ko Chico is take his fakes. Kasi sobrang deadly na fake.
Pero good job sa pag-defense kasi
Yun na.
10-8 ang
Yan.
score.
So now both nakashoot na ng
2
3
points
points.
na lang, 2 points na lang ang leading.
And both nakashoot na ng 3 points.
It's anybody's game.
Again, off the check up.
11-10.
11-10.
One up na si Prince.
Change favor.
Ayan na.
Oh, again. Okay, off na.
Pero yung gantong lahat, ano, parang 10 minutes in na siguro.
Oo, parang ano naglalaro ng first quarter.
10 minutes in. That's nasty.
He's showing in the shimmy.
That's nasty.
Okay, let's see what he got up his bag next. Okay, 3 ball. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, he taunting him. Sabi ni Coach Chico, step up naman. Okay, again. When nagpo-pressure na si Pete. Okay, no call by ref, no call by ref.
Ngayon, may nag-complain na
Ayun na, complaining na sa ref.
Nag-drop down si
Ayun, again, step back 3. Oh.
Tsaka, alam mo, may shooting yung dalawa kasi
Kaya nga.
ano yung mga sala nila.
Tsaka kita just yung confidence to take ng shots continuously.
Tapos most of them tough shots.
Tingnan mo yun. Consecutive moves made from both. Puro 3 points na lang sila after.
Pero sa tingin ko,
Physical ulit. Physical. No call again.
ito continuous yung game na physical, na to parang battle of stamina.
Yun talaga, battle of stamina.
Yung
Sinong maglalast? Sinong maglalast ang bibigay? Again. Coach Chico with a 3. Halftime tayo ngayon, guys. Halftime. 17-11 is our first half score.
What do you feel so far? So una, hindi nalalaglag yung tira mo pero mukhang nakuha mo na.
Well, yun nga, parang you have to trust sa tira mo kasi hindi naman ako mas matangkad sa kanya or mas mabilis para all day kaya ko siyang atakin eh. Siyempre, I have to think about my stamina as well. So, I have to really get my confidence through shooting. So, kailangan kahit di pumapasok, kailangan kunin ko lang yung reps ko off-row. So, yun lang yung game plan ko. As of now. Okay, thank you.
Kamusta? Sa una, medyo naunahan ka sa scoring pero nakabalik ka naman. Ano nasa isip mo nung 2 pa lang yung score mo tapos 10 si coach?
Compose lang ako kasi di pa naman tapos yung laban eh. Hanggat di pa siya natapos sa score niya. Hindi ako sure.
Tsaka pansin ko, unang play pa lang physical at talaga kayo eh. Tsaka narinig ko nung parang scrimmage nyo, ganito rin yung laro.
Okay. Ganun talaga kami. Kailangan talaga physical ang laban kasi kung petics lang. Wala ko sigo. Kumali ka lang. Bigay mo yung katawan mo, yung puso mo dito.
Okay, thank you, friends.
Now, back to the ball game.
Let's go.
Still, bola ulit ni Coach Chico. Start of the second half.
Score is 17-11.
Okay. Back to the ball game. Grabe rin talaga mga jump. Oh!
Grabe. Oy, alam niyo guys nung nag-warm up siya, ginagawa niya yun kanina.
Oh, yun na.
Yung movement set na yun, ginagawa niya yun kanina. Kaya, may kumpiyansa siya.
Okay, good day.
Good yun.
So that's why take note, guys. Warm up is important.
Yeah. And always protect the ball. Always protect the ball,
Guys,
guys.
protect the ball. Oh, 3 ball. Again. 20-11 ang score natin.
11 ng score. Coach Chico's up by 9.
Up by 9. Still anybody's game. Malapit lang yan.
Yes, sir. Another 3 ball.
This time short.
Kakaiba. Parang wala masyadong talon, no? Parang arms pero in rhythm talaga.
Parang flow lang. Kung ka parang tinatapon lang ni Coach. Oh, okay now, please. Take a 3. Okay. Trash talking. That's how tough. Yan na. Part of the game. Okay, oh, what a separation. What a fake. What a move.
Pinractice niya kanina.
And guys, that reminds me of the...
Literal na Dibo.
What a shot.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
That's what's up. Says Coach Chico, what's up? That's what's up.
May time out.
Damn, time out, Prince. Back to the ball game. Let's go. Coach Chico again the ball. Another 3. The timeout. Okay, now let's see how magre-respond talaga si Prince. Oh, step back again. Kita niyo guys, kabisado na ni Coach Chico yung move. Step back, he's predicting na agad.
Ang lakas nung step up combination ng
Oh, he's getting fancy. What a step back. Score. 92-11 in favor of Coach Chico. Oh, what's that move?
good shot.
Galing.
Okay.
Tough shot by Prince.
Tough shot.
I like that.
Tough shot. Kasi hindi siya makashoot ng 3 points and now he's going close.
Ngayon, ni-utilize na yung mid-range.
Yeah nga. Yun. Now,
Kanina
ni-utilize
3 points or drive lang.
Okay, fumble.
Loses the
Okay.
ball. Nawalan siya ng control doon.
Masyadong mababa siya kanina pa. Masyadong mababa yung mga movement niya. Ay, pinapatira. That's too risky of a move to make. Okay, what a move.
Short lang.
Short lang. Okay, yan na. Shows na ng stamina battle na to.
Mukhang napapatig na si Coach dito.
Yeah. Okay, good bump. Yo. 22-15 now score. Top shot siya.
Very physical.
No, yini-utilize niya na yung paint. He's going to the paint na.
Napapansin niya ata na
Napapansin niya na nga. May fatigue. Foul yan.
good fake.
Kasi parang big man na yung mga moves, di ba? Parang big man na yung mga moves. He's relying more dun sa paint.
Very very Filipino
Yun,
hooper.
very Filipino hooper.
Yung parang, okay, guard ka, pero marunong ka umilalim. Oo.
Okay, timeout tayo guys. Last timeout ni Coach Chico yon. So no more timeouts for Coach Chico.
Medyo na-close out niya na yung lead.
Yun nga, kaso still halfway pa. Malayo pa. Okay. Puro paint touches na talaga. Back to the ball game. Okay kay Bola yung Prince ha.
22-18.
4-point difference na lang to. Dalawang field goal na lang yan. Ayan na, puro physical na ulit. Yun lang. Na-shuttle siya ni Coach Chico doon. Top shot.
Pero 4 points na lang.
4 points na lang.
Onti-onti lang.
Kailangan i-utilize ni Coach Chico tong possession na to.
Onti-onti lumalapit yung score ni Prince.
That shows yung stamina talaga.
Prince, di pa pagod. Hindi pa siya pagod eh. Kasi wala, parang nag-warm up pa lang.
Bulok. Kita mo kay Coach Chico, kahit pagod pa siya yung stamina.
Andun pa rin yung galaw.
Pati yung speed. Andun pa rin.
Pulido.
Pulido pa din. Oh, step back 3 again.
One point game.
One point game. 1 point game.
This is anybody's ball game.
Anybody's ball game.
Another 3.
Short this time. Okay. Last 8 points by Coach Chico. Yun yung sobrang deadly talaga sa 1v1. How you utilize ng triple threat.
Oo.
Sobrang underrated skill. Oh, yun lang. Yun lang.
Kabawi ng 3 points. 25-21.
25-21, 4-point game pa rin. Malapit pa rin yan, pero malapit na rin matapos.
Close game.
Close game.
Close game pa rin. Ay, Coach Chico looking for an angle. Jabs.
Oh, what a fake! Okay. No foul.
Okay, ref.
No foul, ref. No foul. Sabi ni ref, no foul.
Ay, mukhang naiinis si Coach Chico sa referee natin.
Pero para sa'yo, foul ba yun?
Para sa akin foul, pero arguable din.
Arguable. And one. Pero walang foul yun. Bumawi lang din. Binawi.
Binawi lang din ni ref.
Oo, pero this time na-utilize ni Prince yun.
Now the game is a 2-point game.
Oh! Ready?
Short. Basically open shot.
Open shot.
Sa atin, hindi umangat si Coach Chico kahit kamay, wala.
Okay. Sobrang close na ng game natin ngayon. Oh! No jump 3.
Parang ano eh, nagmukhang Dilo eh.
Yeah nga eh.
D'Angelo Russell.
Dilo eh.
Tira na yun.
Quick trigger, no jump.
Oo.
So let's say, fatigue. Okay. Grabe physical. Time out. Last timeout, Prince. So no more timeouts, guys. No more timeouts. Dito matawag ng foul yung ref natin eh.
And napafrustrate na yung mga
Napaka-frustrate na yung mga
natin sa
players
referee.
natin. Pero yun, tough game. Gotta play through. Gotta play through.
Totoo.
Interview is from LU, straight out of LU. Kuya, how's the game?
The game, tangina wala akong masabi pre. Sobrang tough. Ganda ng mga tira. Ganda ng mga separation. Lahat. Solid silang dalawa.
DA1s, guys. Suggest your next matchup, guys. So yun, guys. Suggest next matchup.
Mag-suggest naman kayo ng next matchup.
guys.
Mag-suggest kayo. Put it down in the comments.
Okay, guys. Back to the ball game.
Ball game. Bola ni Coach Chico, 25-23.
Guys, here we go. This is it. No more timeouts. Last 2-3 buckets for Coach Chico. You see how he ends the game. 3 ball. Lakas. Pero straight, no? Straight. Diretso.
Hey, let's see what Prince does. Binibigay ni Coach Chico yung left side.
Binibigay niya talaga eh. And he's driving left. Yun yung kanina niya pang move. Drive left, spin right, fade away. Sobrang tough ng mga shots na pinigil.
Totoo. No one's letting up on this game.
Oh, what a tough move na.
Couldn't convert.
Couldn't convert. Sayang yun.
Sayang.
That move reminds me of one move from our host, Kizel. His last game.
Parang may ganun na ako.
Parang may ganong move din yun.
Natandaan ko nga yun.
Wala pa nakakashoot, guys.
Pero yung galaw na ganun talaga, sobrang ano yun. Jalen Brunson. Jalen Brunson.
Alam mo yung close quarter sa paint na laban.
Tapos pivot.
Biglang pivot, di ba? Oh, 3 ball again. From oh!
Over the top of Prince. Over the top of Prince.
On his face.
Last possession.
Last bucket. Let's see how he finish.
Prince is going all out on defense.
Wala on defense na. Pressure na. Sobrang arm's length na yan, no?
Kailangan ni pressure na ni Prince to. Kailangan niya na i-pressure yan.
If not, kaya siyang drive ni coach. Sobrang laban na rin.
Oh, yun na.
Oh, yun. Sayang. Now, let's see.
Nakikita ko yung fatigue sa itsura ni Coach.
Yun nga.
Pero kailangan niya talaga dumikit.
Kailangan niya i-push.
Kailangan
This
niya
is the last, parang fourth quarter na to.
Kahit na may 3 to 4 possessions pa si Prince, kailangan niya dumikit.
Every bucket. Sobrang valuable ng every bucket ngayon. Okay, tough. No. 2 points. Fade.
4 dribbles ba yan?
Parang 5 nga eh.
Floater?
Okay, 1 point game. Grabe yun. Unorthodox. Sobrang grabe. 1 dribble. Biglang up. Last warning, guys.
Pares sila. They could both end it on one shot. Big. Ay!
Foul tayo. Foul counted. Okay, ina-argue ni Coach Chico na hindi act of shooting yung tira. Okay, so if he makes this, panalo na si Prince. So we might have a winner.
Might have a winner here on this free throw.
Okay. So Prince takes this game. Okay. That's the game. That's the ball game.
That was a hard fought battle and grabe yung physicality and grabe pares kaya talaga nag-show ng grit. And sa tingin mo, what happened there on the second half? On the latter part na lang pala, ano nangyari?
Stamina talaga siya. And syempre parang mahirap makipagsabayan na syempre parang lalabas yung totoong laro or yung kung sino yung mga may puso at the end of yung mga last few minutes ng game. So, ayun, kinapos ako. Syempre, I was leading almost the whole game. Pero kinapos ako. Pero no excuses. Tingnan natin, bawi tayo sa game.
Tara, punta naman tayo kay Prince. Prince, congrats on the W. So, grabe, hindi ka sumuko. Sabi mo nga. So, anong naramdaman mo nung medyo kasi naiwanan ka na naman eh. No? So, anong iniisip mo that time? Nung naiwanan ka tapos hindi ka kasi ma-convert na start ulit ng second half.
Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi ako sumuko. Tapos, mindset ko lang hanggat di pa natatapos yung game. Bored pa rin ako. Tapos, ayun nga, medyo nagkakapahan pa kami. Pero pagkita ko second game, panalo ko na talaga.
Okay, thank you, Prince. Good job.
nagkakainitan na dito. So, ito, first possession ni Coach, nagigigil.
Okay, physical agad. First possession.
Physical agad. Pero good D kay Prince doon. Tignan natin kung anong gagawin ni Prince sa first shot. Takes the 3 agad. Right off. Oh. Sabi ni Coach Chico, layup ka na lang.
Parang sinabing wala ka shooting.
Kasi sinabing wala ako. Grabe yun.
Even si Prince, tahimik lang siya. He's just responding with him. And shots after shots, wala pang nakakashoot na.
Nakakapagod yun. Oo, nakakapagod yun.
Let's see how...
Ayan, medyo nag-relax si Coach Chico. Oh, slow step. Hindi lang na-convert.
Sayang na naman.
Hindi lang na-convert. Pero grabe yung slow step ni Coach. Another 3 by Prince. Then, now he makes it.
Okay.
Now he makes
Now,
it.
3-0.
Coach Chico has to step up here.
Kailangan niya mag-step.
Step up.
Kailangan niya mag-play ng tough defense.
Another 3 by Prince.
Off the
6-0.
check-up, off the check-up lang lahat. No dribbles. 6-0.
Another 3 by Prince. It's off.
Now back to the ball game. Ball game na ulit. Coach Chico ball.
Chico makes the 3. Okay. He responds with a 3.
3 for a 3.
Now the score is 6-3 in favor of Prince. Oh,
Good move, foul.
Okay.
Good call by ref natin. Mahirap din talaga ang D-Cup humol sa ganong layup eh. Pag off ng change direction, hindi mo siya pa-foul, hindi mo ko-contest. Yung iwan talaga eh.
oo.
Open shot na open shot.
Ito.
Okay. Oh,
Good read by Prince.
Good move. Woody.
There.
good read.
Good read by Prince there off the post, no?
Patience also. Grabe
Oo.
yung pasensya na doon.
Kahit nakatalikod siya, nakatingin pa rin siya. Tapos, akala ko nga dadalhin niya dun sa right side, pero tinuloy niya yung nag-post, tas left.
Akala ko nga fade away.
Diba? Yun nga yung going. Oh, another midi by Prince.
Easy.
Scores now 10-3.
Prince
Prince goes up for another 3. No good.
Kita natin may momentum si Prince from his last game.
And he still doesn't look tired. No? Condition siya eh.
Condition eh.
Okay, Coach Chico settling for the 3 right now.
Going for the 3 lang.
Siguro nagpapahinga siya. Let's see.
But he has to make a stop. Oh,
Oh, that's good D.
good D.
Pulls up for the mid D. He makes it. What a mid D by Prince.
Score 12-3 in favor of Prince.
Malabas na yung mid D ni Prince ngayon.
Kanina nag-set up siya for 3. Now he's going to penetrate. Okay, mid.
Another mid. Okay, now it's showing up.
Again.
Now he's showing up with the middies. Scores now 3-14 in favor of Prince. Medyo naiwanan si Coach Chico dito.
Medyo malaki yung gap. Kailangan niya na mag-stop.
Oh, wow.
Half-time, 16-3. Half-time, 16-3.
Rich, and second game, ikaw naman nag-net. Ano naman nasa isip mo ngayon?
Isip ko, bored na ako ngayon kasi last game ko na eh. Last game ko na. Tapos, ginagamit ko na yung mga advantage ko sa shooting, yung height ko. Tapos, alam ko rin na mas kondisyon ako kay Coach Chico, kaya yun, ginamit ko lang lahat yung advantage ko.
Okay, thank you.
Interview tayo kay Mavieves, isang content creator. Kailit tayo.
Ano, tayo ba ako?
Hindi, ito lang. Ano masasabi mo sa game natin ngayon today? Tonight, I mean.
Yung game 1 sobrang solid. Naka-comeback niya pa yun and knowing na kahit home court to ni Coach Chico, tapos syempre, mga student tayo ni Coach Chico, hindi talaga siya nagfo-fold. Sobrang grabe yung mentality niya and solid win, yun lang.
Thank you from Viebes. Back to the ball game tayo. Second half, guys. Okay. Quick stop. Quick stop tayo, guys. By Coach Chico, quick stop.
Good hands right there by Coach Chico.
Sabi nga ni Kizel kanina, protect the ball.
Totoo, protect.
Oh,
Oh my!
what a move. Pero di talaga mo-convert.
Grabe yung stop on a dime, tapos
Grabe.
yung hesi pa. Tapos explode.
Hezi and then
Inside
go.
hand.
Oh,
Oh my! God! Oh my God! Another 3-5.
he's hot right now.
He's really hot right now.
Oh, another stop. Another quick stop.
Score is 19-3 in favor of Prince right now. Medyo naiiwanan niya si Coach Chico dito. I think it's a battle of fatigue na.
Yan talaga. Second game, still battle of stamina talaga.
Chico for 3.
Ah,
And convert
still
to 3.
nothing from Coach Chico. Okay. Oh, still driving left. Kanina pa driving left. Another tough. Fade away.
Another tough shot from Prince.
Now, 21-3. Lumalayo na. Medyo lumalayo na yung
Hilig talaga ni
score
Prince
natin.
yung left shoulder turn.
Oo.
Tama ba? Left shoulder.
Yeah, left shoulder. Okay now. Prince misses a 3. Kay Coach Chico tayo right now. Let's see paano magre-respond si Coach Chico ngayon.
Let's see.
Okay, timeout daw guys. Timeout by Coach Chico. Timeout.
What can you say?
Amazing. Mainit.
Magaling pa rin. Magaling pa rin.
Intense. Nung una bro, skeptic ako eh. Kasi may height difference, pero even pa lang, even lang halos.
Okay, back to the ball game guys.
So guys, dito niya talaga makikita na kahit si coach hindi nag-pursue ng pro, nakita niya na hindi siya nagpapa-let up.
Oo.
Kahit condition na UA player,
Laban pa rin.
laban pa rin.
Yun. Still can convert.
Tignan natin.
Natin ngayon paano magre-respond.
3-21 in favor of Prince.
Traveling.
Nakating B1.
Nag-lift yung pivot. Sobrang dami natatawagan ng ganun ngayon. Oh, what a move.
Pinibisa-bisa.
Yun, ngayon.
Pinibisa-bisa.
Penetrating. Pero it shows, pinapakita na niya dito yung fatigue, yung stamina. Now ang question,
How long will he hold?
how long can he hold it?
How long can he hold on? Let's see. Ayan, focus na muna siya.
Again, tough shot. Stay.
Okay.
Okay, now. Fatigue, stamina, yan ang mga factors ngayon. Maybe kasi mga Viebes right there. Giving air. Okay. Yun yung lesson kanina, guys. Protect the ball. Oh, too much space.
That's a lot of space.
Oh, Sale's gonna set us back down.
Okay.
No call again.
I feel like that was supposed to be a foul.
Supposedly, feel ko foul yun. Pero no call, you gotta live with it.
Gotta live with it.
Gotta live with
Gotta
it.
live with it.
Now, medyo lumalapit yung score natin. 21-9.
9, let's see.
Let's see. Can he hold on to the ball? Kasi grabe kung makakakuha ng bola si Prince ngayon.
Nasa Jimmy Butler game ito yung solution.
Yan, foul. Obvious foul. That's an obvious foul. Timeout daw. Timeout by Prince. Timeout Prince. Ilan na lang timeout natin, ref?
Ilan
Ilan na lang
lang
timeout? Okay, tig 1 timeout sila. Pakita natin yung mga audience natin.
Yan ang
Yan. This is the crowd. Look at the crowd right there. Sobrang dami, ano.
Hirap.
Okay, now foul shots. Okay, can he make this? He has to make it.
has to make this free throw. Is it the fatigue? Is it the fatigue that's setting
Probably
in?
the fatigue.
Probably the fatigue.
It's a set in na.
Prince going to his post game.
Physical na yan, no?
The mid-range. 23-9.
23-9. Sobrang
Chico playing
na ngayon.
close quarters defense ngayon.
Close battles, though. Oh, what a... Bucket. What a bucket.
25-9 in favor of Prince.
Doon lamang talaga si Prince ngayon. Stamina. Stamina talaga.
Grabe, 16-point lead ngayon si Prince.
Hindi siya pagod.
Hindi siya pagod. Ang bilis pa rin ng galaw niya. Yung mukha niya talagang ano pa rin. Ball.
2 points daw. 2 points. 2 points.
2 points.
2 points daw.
9-27.
9-27-9. Timeout, Coach Chico.
Last timeout by Coach Chico. That's his last timeout.
No more timeouts for Coach Chico.
Si Prince, sobrang condition niya ngayon, guys.
Ang condition, guys.
Napakita niya yung level of training niya ngayon.
Yung difference ng stamina sobrang on display.
Oo,
On
ito.
display yung difference sa stamina niya.
And kailangan niya ng player. Yun ang kailangan ng player. Which, pinoprove ni Prince na he has what it takes to be out there.
He's showcasing everything. Oh, he was trying to finish it.
That was a bad
Trying to
rebound.
finish it.
Havel.
He's trying to finish it with a 3. That's a bad choice for him.
He picked up the ball too early.
Picked up the ball too early. Kasi he's trying to finish the game now. Bad choice yun. Bad choice by Prince. Now, paano magre-respond yun si Coach Chico? With fatigue setting in.
Okay, he goes to the post again.
Post again. Yun, foul. Again, foul.
Fouled by Prince.
By Prince.
So, Coach Chico's gonna take a free throw.
And this is in favor to sa kanya kasi nakapagpahinga siya eh.
Nakapagpahinga siya. But he has to make it. He has to make it. Hindi, yun, he makes it. This point, itong mga free throw na to, since sobrang physical ng game, crucial siya eh.
Crucial eh, kailangan mo talaga.
Kasi yung physicality, nakakapagod yan.
It's your time to rest and make a bucket at the same time.
Totoo.
Now, let's see paano yung gagawin niya next. Close quarters. Atake to. Kita ko na. Oh,
Takes the three.
Gives him space.
And he makes the three ball.
Gives him space. It's too much space for Coach Chico.
13-27.
13-27.
Favor of Prince. Yan, yan.
Long game pa, long game. Coach Chico's trying to make it a long game. Oh! What a stop! What a stop! What a stop!
Grabe yun, yung pag-stop niya sa dime.
Yun.
No? Wild. Sa level of, ng condition ni coach, tapos nakagawa niya pa rin yung gano'n.
Grabe yung toughness, yung grit, lahat. Oh. Eh no, pagod na siya pero ganyan pa rin yung speed. Okay, foul. Parang may acrobatic.
May acrobatic. Yan.
Now, has to make the free throw again.
Crucial free throws again. Yes, definitely.
Honestly, every shot na is gonna take now, moving on forward is crucial talaga.
Talaga, ang sakit ng
Sorry,
ganun.
miss, tough miss.
Sobrang sakit
Sa akin
ma-miss yung mga free throws
Now he
na.
has to play defense again.
Kasi kung ikaw yung naghahabol, you need those eh. You need
You
everything.
need those, you need everything. Kaya sabi ko lahat, crucial.
Oo.
Moving on forward. Yun lang.
Bigay yung left side.
No foul call by ref, pero tough make, tough shot. Last
Possession
na si Prince, if he makes it.
What Chico has to get to stop again.
Oh, 3 ball. Okay. No foul again. So still, Coach Chico has a chance. Malayo pa pero malayo na pero malayo pa.
Nalito ako na idol ah.
Baliktad eh. Okay. Layo niyan.
And one.
And one. Now, kailangan na to. Kailangan na lahat crucial. Free throws.
Napaka-crucial na mga free throws.
Free throws, possessions, everything is crucial.
Ilan na rin yung na-miss na free throw ni Coach Chico?
Dalawa?
Dalawa, tatlo. Yung 20 na siguro.
20 na siguro yan. Malapit na. Of course, 29-17. 18 if he makes this one.
Okay.
29-18.
29-18, lumalapit na.
Lumalapit na. So Prince has a last possession and Coach Chico has a long way to go here. Okay, attacking here.
Ayun lang, they couldn't convert the open layup.
Open layup.
Sayang yun,
That was a
sayang.
good drive though. That was a good drive. Grabe yung first step. Kita yung
Nanggigil
first
siya
step.
doon. Nanggigil siya doon.
Nag-benefit yung giggle pero at the same time, nag-cost siya.
Hindi niya na soft touch.
Now has to make a stop.
Prince with a tough shot.
Okay, tough shot yung
Okay.
Pero good defense by Coach Chico.
Dito
Take niya stamina.
sa DA1s kailangan calculated talaga every possession. Every read talaga eh.
Kailangan calculated.
Oo.
And kailangan you have fast reflexes. Kailangan mo mag-react. You have to react.
Oh, 3 ball. Off the left, short.
Short, 3 ball by Coach Chico.
Now Prince will have possession.
Prince has a chance right now.
Every defensive position ni Coach Chico kailangan
Kailangan
napakita
tough.
niya eh.
He has to take a tough shot.
Too strong by Prince.
Yun. Clean defense yun para sa akin.
Clean defense yun.
Yun para sa akin.
Takes the 3. Off the left, short na naman.
Same yun sa kanina niyang shot off the left din. Another defensive position.
He has to get a stop here, guys.
Tough shot.
It's a
Prince
very
is
tough
asking
shot.
for a foul there pero tough shot yun. Good defense. May onting chippiness dito ah.
Good D by Prince
Good
there.
defense, good hand.
Defense by
good
Prince.
hand.
Quick hands. Like what we said, always. Always.
Protect the ball.
Yes, sir.
Hindi nyo alam guys, yung next matchup natin yung janitor.
Wow, tough shot. Oh! Kita mo yung follow through ni Prince. Akala niya papasok na eh. Akala niya papasok na. Actually, ako rin akala ko. Oo.
Feel niya na. Feel niya yung tira.
Diretso, yung ball spin ang ganda. Yun lang, malakas lang.
Relax lang. Now Coach Chico again here.
Let's see.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, with the veer step. He still makes it. Oh,
He's cramping.
yun lang.
Cramping, yun lang.
Back to the ball game tayo. And we're back. Boko. Ayan.
Oh, tough defense right off the bat. Or a jab step yung laban niya. Oh.
Spin seal. Ayun, he converts it.
Nag-blink lang ako,
Converts it.
naka-drive na siya. Grabe yung bilis na yun. Nag-blink lang ako. Right now, kaso he's cramping.
He's limping right now.
He's limping. Kaya pa daw, kaya pa.
Ingat ang laban guys. 29-22 na.
22. While cramping with that much speed, grabe yun.
Right, back to the ball game, y'all. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game, guys.
Score is 29-24, 5-point game in favor of
Possession game
Prince.
na lang yan basically. Ganun yung kalahin.
Grabe yung defense si Prince ngayon.
Ngayon, tough defense.
Let's see what he does. 3 ball. Okay, off the left short na naman.
The left pa rin.
Off the left short.
Ngayon, paano ngayon? With cramping, playing defense. Let's see how can he make it tough.
He has to stay
Prince.
focused. He has to stay focused.
He has to make a stop.
Good defense.
Good defense.
Yun lang talaga. Tough shot.
Game point, guys.
And that's game. That's game. That's game. That's game.
Tough game. Tough game.
Grabe yan. Guys, nakita niyo naman, grabe yung laban dito. Sobrang intense. And grabe yung physicality. At nakita natin may nangyayari with the referee. Parehas sila nagko-complain. Grabe yung pinakita nila parehas. At grabe yung kahit wala sa kondisyon si coach, pinakita niya pa rin yung kaya ng skills niya at yung alam niya. And si Prince, grabe yung pinakita niya. Kita niyo, sobrang kondisyon. Mukhang pwede pa nga ng 3 games eh. Di ba tinan niyo yung mukha? So,
Bakit ano meron sa mukha?
fresh. Okay, but anyways, starting off, Coach Chico, ano masasabi mo sa overall 2 games natin?
Una sa lahat, all glory to God. Thank you so much sa mga taong sumuporta. Thank you so much sa mga assistant coaches natin na tumulong mag-set up and yung pagpatuloy na pagbuo ng community ng DA1s. And about sa game, syempre sobrang I'm grateful to be going head-to-head with Prince na knowing na galing siyang UAP Juniors, transitioning to NCAA Seniors. And isang karangalan din para sa akin bilang coach. Siyempre, minsan din from time to time gusto ko na challenge. Siyempre ako nagtuturo sa mga students ko and siyempre namimiss ko rin mag-compete at times. So itong over the past 2 games na to, it was really challenging both mentally and physically. Physically kasi siyempre, first game, lamang ako halos buong game, kinapos sa hininga. Pero no excuses yun, at least may abangan na kayo, magpapakondisyon na ako, di ba? And eto, si Prince, abangan nyo, syempre, napanood nyo siya sa 1-on-1, hopefully makita natin siya, may parating siyang MPBL Juniors, and eventually, papanoorin natin siya sa NCAA. Fingers crossed tayo dyan, and pag-pray natin. Pero yun, sobrang thankful ako sa lahat ng mga taong pumunta, and ayun, sana mapanood nyo tong game na to.
Okay, thank you for that, Coach Chico. So, Prince, congrats sa panalo natin on the 2 games. Anong masasabi mo sa performance mo doon sa 2 game at paano ka paano ka nag-stay sa sa composure mo ba?
Thankful ako kay Lord dahil binigyan ako ng opportunity na ganito kay Coach Chico sa mga nag-support dito. And ayun nga, sagutin ko yung question mo, paano ako naging compose. Focus lang ako sa goal ko at ayun nga, nasabi ko na rin kanina, ginamit ko lang yung mga advantage ko, yung height ko at saka knowing mas condition ako kay Coach Chico. And ayun, ginamit ko lang tong platform na to na para maipakita ko yung talent ko, yung skills ko para ayun nga, makapaglaro sa higher league pa, especially sa NCAA. And ayun, thankful din ako kay Coach dahil binigyan niya ako ng opportunity. Ayun, na-challenge din ako, sobrang galing ni Coach. Tapos, ayun, thankful din ako, tinuruan niya ako dahil siya yung skills coach ko. And sa mga sumuporta dyan, yung mga kaibigan ko, girlfriend ko, nandyan. And sa mga sumuporta sa live, yung mga nanonood sa cellphone, shoutout sa inyo, especially sa family ko. And ayun, good game guys. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. So, kamay. Grabe yan.
Mga nyo, marami pa tayong video. So, ikaw, may gusto ka pa sabihin?
Guys, yun nga, ang dami nagtatanong kung kailan yung next DA1s natin and hindi pa namin masabi pero it's always gonna come soon. So just comment down below talaga kung sino yung gustong maglaro next. I-comment nyo, i-match up nyo na. Tingnan natin, di ba? Ikaw, Coach.
So, yun, abangan nyo, marami pa tayong i-invite ng mga katulad ni Prince, mga NCAA, UAAP, pwedeng juniors, pwedeng seniors, pwedeng iba't ibang malalaking league against pwedeng mga content creators, mga DA family, mga Detailed Academy family. So abangan nyo yan, subaybayan nyo lang kami and get to know lahat ng mga taong dadaan dito. So thank you so much and see you sa next video.
See you sa next video.